Hello everyone. Today's video is exciting for me. Angela from the Happy Dotting Company sent me some more molds so that I can make a variety of different videos for you guys. So this is going to be an unboxing, and then I will add to this video and do some molding of stones. So I don't even know what's in here, but we're going to find out together. So here we go. Okay. I'm so excited. Oh, wow. And she sent me some stencils. How cool. Oh my goodness. And some tools. I'll have to give these a go. I've never had any like this before. That's cool. And the #1 mold. And templates. And a heart mold. So it's 4 round ones. The 2 oval ones. And this is the tea light. And what is this one? This must be another tea light. Well, that is cool. Wow. Look at all these. Wow, thank you so much, Angela. I cannot wait to get started with these. So I'm going to do this right now, make some molds of these ovals and the tea lights because I have not done any of those yet. These are all brand new to me. And I might even give them a go with these to see how this turns out. So keep watching and I'll show you what I do. Alright, so I got so excited I molded one and I forgot to hit record. So I'm going to do another one. So I get this to my pounds and ounces. There we go, and zero it out. Okay, now I'm going to mold this little one. So it says I need 2.65 ounces. There we go. And then you take this and go to fluid ounces. And zero it out again. And I need 1 ounce of water. 1 ounce of water. Then we just mix this around. Charlotte is dissolved in the water, so it becomes like one consistency. And then this goes into this. That is like the perfect amount. Okay, and then I kind of tap it. Sometimes I just pick it up and tap it like this onto the ground. And you'll see air bubbles coming up, or I go like this and tap the sides to get the air bubbles to come up so that your rock will be nice and smooth. And really that's all there is to it. Then tomorrow we'll unmold them, and then they gotta sit for a day or two before you can paint them. So I'm gonna stop the video here and finish molding all these rocks, and then tomorrow I will film me unmolding all the rocks, and we'll go from there. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, time for the unmolding. This is the funnest part. Let's do the little one. And that's nice and smooth, even though it looks like it's got something there. All that water dried up. It just needs the light sand on the back. It's a big tea light. This is the first one I've molded of this. Wow. Nice and smooth, but boy was that a struggle. I don't have a lot of hand strength, so I don't think most people have a hard time with it. You can get an end popped, they're easy to get out. They're also nice and smooth. There's a big one. Oh, here's that other tea light. Listen, this is going to be as much of a struggle. Gonna there we go. Oh, I didn't know it was that shape. Way cool. Just need to do a light sanding on the back. Need some more round one. These I like are easy to get out. I got another round one. And another big one. One more heart. I always unmold them like over a placemat like this because you get a little bit of dust. Let me empty that. Okay, so I molded 2 hearts. 2 of these bigger ones. 2 of these round ones. 2 of the small ones. One of these big tea lights. One of these smaller tea lights, and then 2 ovals. And I'll show you what they all look like. And there they are. So I have to wait like 2 days for these to dry out, and then I will be painting some for you guys. So talk to y'all later. Bye.